some people just live for no plans, waking up in the morning, what am I gonna do? Well, I guess I'm maybe not one of those people. I've always had a plan for something. It's hard to not have a plan, to be honest. So I woke up, realized I don't really even know where I'm going. I just know I need to get to Ontario. It looks like I'm going to the States today. My heart's palpitating a little bit. I'm driving into a serious storm. Before I head into the States, I had to stop one last time at good old Timmy's. I made it to the border, US Customs. Two strange things sort of happened today. One, I was driving, just passing a clearing, and decided to look left, and there was a deer just all by himself, just doing a number 2. I swear to God, we locked eyes, and it was like the strangest thing ever, and no, I can't make this up, that really happened. And the second was, I saw a porcupine. It was roadkill though, so that was my first porcupine that I saw, and no, I didn't run it over. Made it to Minnesota, just on a little nature walk. Decided to take in the fresh air, and they have a beautiful lake here called Bemidji Lake, and it's not as nice as Moraine Lake, but it's still pretty nice. It's very green here and very lush. Next stop, Michigan.